Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel we share healthy tips, beauty tips and wellness tips. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own lemon whitening cream. We need 3 lemons. Cut the lemons. Extract the lemon juice. You can pour your lemon juice in a spray container like this and be using it as your facial toner. Cut your lemons into smaller pieces now. The vitamin C in lemon peels brightens the skin and helps reduces age spots and wrinkles. Add a drinkable cup of water in your cooking pot. Cook on a low heating fire. We need fennel seeds. Pour your lemons in. Stir. We will add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. After adding your fennel seeds, cook for 5 minutes. Fennel seeds are rich in copper, magnesium and zincs. Fennel seeds supply essential acne-fighting nutrients to the skin. It deeply cleanses the skin. When done, let it cool down completely. and strain out the solution. Let the solution cool down completely. We will need corn flour. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour in a cold water and dissolve it. Turn it well to be lump-free. Cornstarch is very beneficial to acne-prone skin. It absorbs excess oil from the skin, which causes acne and pimples. Now our solution is totally cold that we can use it. Add the dissolved corn flour into the solution. Add it on a low heating fire and stir continuously. The application of cornstarch helps to reduce impurities from the process, such as dirty dust, oil, filth, and so on, preventing outbreaks. We will continue cooking until we get a creamy-like texture. We are making this cream for people with oily skin. For normal to dry skin, you need to add almond oil or vitamin E oil, 1 tablespoon. You can as well use any essential oil of your choice. For best results, use this cream twice daily, morning and night. Now our skin whitening lemon cream is ready. I want to add preservative to it to extend the shelf life. I will be using liquid garmall plus preservative. We have 100 ml, but we will use 10 ml and keep the rest. First, we have to pour it inside the jerry can. We will add 10 ml of liquid garmall plus. We have to mix the cream with the preservative by turning them together. For dry or normal skin, you should add vitamin E oil or capsules. This is the vitamin E capsules can. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Rubbing the cream feels good to the skin. Thanks for watching.